In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FTP account in Hostinger and save the details for FileZilla. By the end, you'll have a dedicated FTP login for your site and all the information you need to connect with your favorite FTP app. Start by logging into your Hostinger account and heading to the website section. This is where all your hosted projects live. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to identify the one you want to work on. Click that website to open its dashboard. The dashboard is your control room for settings, files, and tools specific to that site. On the left sidebar, look for the Files category, then select FTP Accounts. FTP accounts let you upload, edit, and organize your site's files using an external app. Creating a separate account is useful for keeping access organized, especially if you're collaborating or want to restrict what parts of your site someone can change. Now, create the new FTP login. Enter a username and a strong, unique password. It's a good idea to use a generated password and save it in a password manager so you don't lose it. Some panels may add a prefix or show you the final formatted username after you save, so don't worry if it looks slightly different later. Just make sure you copy the exact value the panel shows. If you see an option to choose the folder or directory this FTP account can access, pick the location that matches your needs. Selecting the site's root grants full access, while choosing a subfolder is great for limiting access to a specific part of the site, which is a best practice for security and delegation. When everything looks good, save or create the account. Hostinger will confirm it and list it among your FTP accounts. Give it a moment to finish provisioning if needed. Finally, copy the FTP connection details. You'll need the hostname, the exact username, and the password you just created. The hostname is typically shown in the same section. It may be your server address, your domain, or an IP. If you plan to use FileZilla or another FTP app, keep these details handy. You'll enter the host, username, and password fields there, and if you're asked for a port, standard FTP usually uses 21. Store these details securely so you can connect quickly next time. That's it. You've created a new FTP account in Hostinger and captured the credentials you'll use in FileZilla or any other FTP client.